Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel Lingua Learners. So in today's video, I am not going to teach you anything related to grammar or vocabulary or anything new. So just I want to tell you about my belief, which I believe a lots of people they are thinking about New Year resolution before New Year. So majority of the people they say I want to become fluent in this language, and let's see, I will become fluent in this language by next year, right? Or even though they have not started yet, just they are thinking. So in my point of view, if you are thinking over and over again, so instead of this, start taking initiative. Because I did same thing. I was making my conversational videos on daily basis. So in between, just I left my practice, I left my making videos. So yeah, my views are getting down, I know. So the main thing is, dear audience, consistency. If you want to start something and if you want to achieve something, so first of all you have to take initiative, and second thing, maintain consistency, because whatever may happen, you cannot lose your consistency of any field, whether you are making your channel, whether you are learning something, whether you are cooking food, anything. Consistency matters a lot in every field. So first, take initiative, and second, maintain consistency. Or don't say over and over again, I have to learn this language, I have to do this, I have to do that. Instead of this, just do it and finish it before New Year. And I guarantee you, if you are a consistent male or female, just you can become fluent in this language in 3 months only 3 months. I am not saying you can become advanced in this language, but a child, how the child starts, they start with small sentences, so you can also do. Okay, so you can learn basic English within 3 months only. And I request to all female homemakers, or just they are working, please learn this language, because nowadays the importance of English is amplifying day by day. You are like a half person, right? So just learn this language, and for this you have to maintain consistency, and you have to open your mouth. If you are thinking, I'm not going to open my mouth, just I'm listening, and you are not producing anything, so you cannot become fluent in this language, I guarantee you. Because for speaking in English, you have to open your mouth, right? So for opening your mouth, you have to start speaking in English. And the third thing is, I'm not saying write every day on daily basis. Just you can read anything, one page or two pages, you can start with that. And if you are hesitating till now, so your every years will be going on, but you cannot do anything. Because I always used to think I will make my video after 4 days, after 5 days, even though after 1 month. Once I took care of my health, then I would make my video of English. But I was wrong here, because everything happens by their time. So yeah, that's it. I have shared these techniques with you. You can follow it, and you can also become fluent in this language, and everyone can. If I can, then everyone can become fluent in this language. Yeah, thanks.